In this video, we'll talk about Chiliz, if it's crashing or not. So welcome back, everyone. Hope you're all having a great weekend, great Sunday. So yeah, that's what we'll be talking about. We'll be talking about a fundamental theory I have kind of developed around crypto, which I think might be happening right now. But yeah, we'll talk about that. And we'll also talk about the technicals, right? So purely technically, what's happening right now? Are we really bearish, or is this just a retracement? So yeah, let's get right into it. Volume is still is dropping probably. Yeah, has dropped down by 40%, still quite high. You can see right here, this was probably a whale selling because we went up in volume by 30 million in a matter of like, what is it? 10 minutes. So initial sell-off by a whale, I think, but in general, there's also just continuing bearish momentum. And I think, and I've talked about that yesterday as well, is that what you usually see with crypto is that if a fundamentally bullish event is coming up, so the World Cup for Chiliz, because of all their fan tokens, what you usually see is that a crypto is actually quite bullish leading up to that event. We've also seen that with the Ethereum merge and with the Cardano hard fork, for example, and with the Luna Classic tax burn. And then once it actually happens, once the bullish event happens, prices drop down. So it's I call it kind of buy the rumor, sell the news. That's also usually what happens, is that when there's a rumor about something, people buy it, people get interested, and then when it's actually news, people think, all right, I'm going to sell it because they bought it earlier. And I think the same effect is kind of happening with Chiliz. And I was scared of that. That's also why I sold, I think somewhere here. So I bought down here, rode this whole wave up, rode it down, and then I sold up here again. Yeah, it's pretty funny, I think, but it's so I'm pretty scared of that, and therefore I also think that something like this is the most likely scenario, unfortunately. I mean, to be honest, long term, Chiliz is an amazing project, so I wouldn't be too. I mean, these levels are still, compared with the next bull market, I think at least these levels are still like very low. But short term, we have to be honest. I mean, World Cup is starting. When is it? Tomorrow, I think, with the game of Qatar. No, it's actually today. So today, I mean, buy the rumor, sell the news. Today is the news. So I think there's one more chance to actually get up to 29 and 30 cents, which it might be fair to you to say that I was expecting those levels. I didn't think we would stay at 27 cents. I expected us to go up to 29 and 30 cents. So I was wrong about that, just to be clear. Even though I already talked about the effect like when we were right here, but doesn't matter. So I think there's one more chance. You can see that we're at the support level at 22 cents. If we are actually able to break above our resistance level right now, which is 23.5 cents, then I still think we have the opportunity to get back up to 26 cents, and from there even get up to 29 cents. But to be fair, I think it's way more likely that right now that we've broken below 23.5 cents, that we take a break retest, which we arguably have already done with this small candle there. And that will slowly start dropping down to 21 cents, which is a very strong support. So we will actually hold that for a little bit longer. But eventually, I think we're dropping down to this level right here between 20 cents and 18 cents. And I think that's, at this point of time, that's fair value for Chiliz with this bear market. As I said, in a bull market, it's still, I still hold Chiliz, by the way. In my long-term portfolio, stashed away, I still hold Chiliz. But my leveraged position is closed. Full transparency, of course. So that's my take on Chiliz this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.